In this section, we are going to see what is append, how to perform it in Power Query. So append, if we have a two data set and one is having 1, 2, 3 of product and other data set or a table contains 4, 5. You are getting the data from multiple sources or different locations. Now you need to combine these into one single product table. That is what append is going to perform. So once you do the append, this will merge, or it's not a merge is the right word, basically append. So append will add all these records from table 1 and table 2 into a single table. That is what append is going to do. Let's try to check it out in Power BI how to do this. So to make you to understand, we have this data set already. We filled and cleaned the data, and right now we are getting two more category like product from some other file. Don't think like I can add these two in this Excel itself, right? That will not be the case in real world. This can be coming from different database or different files, and you need to combine it. That is why I'm explaining with this simple sheet. So assume this particular sheet comes from different sources. Now you need to append it. Let's try to check it out how to do it. I'm into Power Query now. This is the one we already loaded. Now let's try to load the new source. So in this case, I'm going to recent sources. It's in the same Excel. I'm clicking on this. Now I have this new table here, product category new. Now I will click on OK. So once you click on OK, the new table will be appear. As usual, you need to use first row as header. Now it becomes the column headers for my new table. Ensure this names, right, category name and item name are same in this table as well. Let's try to rename this, right, and I will try to explain what is the issue so that you will understand what is the constraints here. So here I have category name, here it is item. Now let's try to merge these two tables, and I will store the final results in the product category itself. So how to do it? Click on this table, then go to merge queries. You can see either append queries or append queries as new. Both the things you can try. Let's try to merge in the existing table itself. So click on this append queries. So two tables, or you can have multiple tables as well. In our case, it's two tables, one as well as this one. Choose the new. Now click on OK. You can see there is an issue here. Instead of appending into the same rows, the rows are appended, but it created a new column here. This is the issue I'm talking about. So ensure that your column names are same. The category name actually came in the same column, right? Those rows in the new table came in the same column, but item name in this first table and item in the second table as considered as two different columns. That's why it appeared here. So this is what we need to be very careful. So I will just remove this particular step, append, go back to your new data set and take the copy of this name. Usually we need to take the copy from where you want to append, right, so that it will be aligned. Now once again we will try to append the queries. Append queries. Now choose this data, then click on OK. Now you can see this is appended in the same table and with the actual columns. Now let me quickly show you append query as new queries, so that you need to provide a name for the new table. So what it does, the product category first table, product category new second table, then click on OK. Here you see it is created as a new table over here. It is as simple as that. So either you want to create a new table from the existing tables, you can create, or you can append the existing tables as well. So this you can consider as product final, whatever name, the final and v1, a lot of things will come, but this is how you can able to append. I hope you understand the concept behind the append. It's just used to combine the data from two different datasets into a single dataset.